So I don't know if you've heard of this lock picker called Nick's Picks. All right, he's this like amazing picker or whatever from the UK, and he's recently wanted to do a subscriber appreciation giveaway, which is so very cool of him, I've got to admit. However, in order to enter this giveaway, you have to do some type of challenge. Now, knowing Nick, he chose the challenge that he chose because he knows that I cannot pick left-handed, and he wanted to make a fool out of me right here on the internet for you all to see. That being said, the contest is about to come to an end, I'm sure, because it's been a minute since he put it out, and I promised him I would get a video up. It's not like I've been scared or anything to do the challenge, because that's totally not it. Like, it has nothing to do with the fact that I was freaking out or anything. Anyways, so I have to get it done, and today is the day. So you know what? You're welcome, because this is going to be quite the video. I suggest you grab a snack, because I don't know how long this is going to take. You've got to handcuff yourself, double lock the handcuffs, pick a lock, left and right-handed, while telling a joke. I think you have to be in the shower at the same time. Then after you pick the locks in both hands, maybe you have to be upside down. I can't remember. There's a lot to it. And then when all is said and done, you've got to pick the handcuffs. And so yeah, I definitely wasn't like scared or anything. Just so we all are clear on the rules, I'm going to go ahead and start a small clip from Nick's video right here so we can all understand what's at stake. Okay, let's get this party started.
Hashtag both hands 800. While you're doing it, tell a joke. A duck walks into a bar. So we need a joke or jokes from you, and we need a shout out for another channel. If you want to play for these, pick cuffs as well, Shackleman style. If you want to just win this beautiful set and also this lock I've picked for you today, then all you have to do is pick a lock with 4 active elements. If it can be gutted, gut it and show the workings, please. If you don't want to do that, pick a lock what you can't gut. Anything is welcome. Brinks, master lock, any comfort lock at all. It doesn't matter as long as you're using both hands. So that's it.
Watch me annihilate this challenge and show Nick what's up. All right, so here we go. I'm cuffing up, all right? Now, side note, I did forget to do the double locks on the cuffs, but I did remember to fix that before I went and picked them. So, you know, I didn't actually cheat on that one. Now, you know, I was actually going to cheat through this whole video and just to be a jerk, but I figured, you know what? I needed to rise above it and actually learn everything that Nick was trying to teach me. And so I did do the entire thing. And, you know, it was actually a lot of fun. Anyways, so this is my attempt at picking left-handed. I used bottom and keyway tension for this. It just seemed easier for me not being able to kind of navigate the pick very easily to be able to have a bottom and keyway tensioner to rest my pick on. And so I can totally see why when you first start picking, this is one of the things that, you know, we like to use is bottom and keyway tension. It was a lot easier for me to just rest my pick on there and kind of just, you know, pick upwards at the pins. Now, I did practice that because I know Nick wanted to see me totally blow this and mess this challenge up, and he also wanted to see me just throwing swear words left and right. I know what he was looking for. A big shout out to Elijah Carney, who told me to try the Lockwood left-handed because it really did work out, and I was able to actually get this one open. So I did practice this over and over and over again because I really wanted to get this challenge complete. I think this reminds us all to have a better appreciation of what it's like when you are new to picking and how awkward everything is, because this was super awkward for me. While I was picking, I literally thought this took like only a couple of seconds. I thought I was like, damn girl. But watching it back, yeah, it took me forever to get this one open, even though I practiced this so very much. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, you got it. Next up is picking this right-handed. And so, you know, closing up the lock. And I first put in the bottom of keyway tensioner in the bottom because I figured I would just do the same thing. Then I remembered that picking with my right hand, I prefer to use top of keyway. So I flipped it around and went after it with top of keyway. Now, I did think, again, that this only took me like 2 seconds. But watching it back is taking forever and ever and ever to get this open. So, sorry, guys. I don't know what the holdup was. I think switching brains from left to right-handed really screwed me up on this one because it took me a minute to get this one open, even right-handed. And this is one of my comfort locks, so no excuse. No excuse here. There we go. I was starting to get worried there for a minute. So, totally not going to gut this one. I really was not up for that.
Oh, I think I had to double lock these, so hang on a second.
This is where I do double lock the handcuffs because I forgot about it. Can't even really see it. That's the problem I'm having. I have a lot of trouble seeing the double lock throughout the rest of this video. And so I keep awkwardly moving my hands like to try to see it. So sorry about that. But here we go. They are now officially double locked. I'm going to show it up against this lock here so you guys can see through there and see that that little tab is not sticking down the middle. All right. Now to pick them. Of course, this side I'm using my right hand, so it's a lot easier for me. But I didn't even practice these even one time before I did this video, so this takes me forever. And I apologize. Again, I'm just trying to see if I got that damn double lock open. Like the whole time I'm trying to get it, it's clicking. I hear a clicking sound, but I'm not really sure if I got it or not. And so I don't want to try to just open them, because if you try to open them, it's not going to work. So I just keep trying for this double lock. Hey man, at least my nails look good, right? Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. Like, hurry up. Oh my gosh. We're still here. This is getting annoying. Oh, here we go. Finally. Would I say praise his light? Okay. All right. I did forget to tell a joke, but here it comes. Oh my God.
Oh, what do you call a deer with no eyes and no idea? What do you call a deer with no eyes and no legs? Still no idea.
I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, so back to trying to get this left-handed. I can't do anything left-handed. This is terrible. This is terrible. And again, can't see the double lock, so I don't even know if I got the double lock yet. And I keep trying to check that, and I keep getting the pick stuck. Look, I'm like, is it double locked?
Did we do the double lock yet? I can't friggin' see it. Yes, we got it.
All right, looks good. Now on to getting just the cuff open, which shouldn't be a big deal. And for some reason, I keep getting the pick stuck. I can't get it in there right. I don't know what my problem is. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry, guys. If you made it all the way through to this point in the video, I thank you. And I urge you to please go over and check out Nick's Picks channel. He's absolutely phenomenal picker. Just absolutely phenomenal. He's part of the Shackleman's Club. The guy's brilliant, and he's got a great channel. You need to go check it out. Please take a look at hashtag both hands 800 and try to get into the giveaway. He's giving away some really cool stuff. Even though I am going to be the one that walks off with the Nigby lever lock set, you know, you guys can try for the rest of the stuff. But definitely go check it out and enter his giveaway, all right?
That was fun. Had lots of people swearing.
All right, guys, that was the Nick's Picks, hashtag 800 both hands. I love you, Nick. Thank you for doing this challenge. If you don't want to enter me because I didn't get my lock, I will totally understand, but I do, you know, still want to make this video for you. I'm going to leave everything down in the description of this video, so go check it out. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you are new, and if you don't, then you're dead to me, all right? Hopefully, I will see you on the next one.